Hello teachers, welcome to 2018. We've got a brand new math fix for you, so please take a look, let us know what you think, and keep an eye out for some other things to be happening in your community practice this semester.
Today's math fix centers around 8.f.3. Interpret the equation y is equal to mx plus b as defining a linear function whose graph is a straight line, and give examples of functions that are not linear. In this math fix, students are asked to examine given situations and they must decide if they could be represented by a linear function. These situations contain geometric and distance over time relationships. The first situation looks at the relationships between increasing a side length of a square and the resulting area. When we increase the length of a side length, the result is a squared outcome. This creates a quadratic function that would not be linear. It actually is only the quadratic function in the quadrant 1. The second scenario looks at a relationship of distance over time over the course of a trip. Initially, this may seem very straightforward, and it may look linear function, but there is an assumption in this that can cause it to be not so. If the car is traveling at a constant speed, then we do get a linear distance traveled. If the car varies at all, then it is not a linear function. The third scenario is similar to the first, but the two quantities varying in it are different. We have a side length in this one, but the other is the other sides. If students don't pick up on that, then they may think it is a cubic function and not a linear function. However, if we increase one side of a cube, then the other sides also increase at the same rate, and this will result in a linear graph with a slope of 1. Don't let your students pass this one so quickly. The final one is similar to number 2, but now we have a description of the speed of the car. It's parked, so its speed is also 0. With this, we will have a guaranteed constant speed, and so the relationship between the speed and time will be linear. None of these scenarios are meant to be trick questions. They are designed to push students into thinking about relationships as well as the two quantities that will be described by the function. Keep the conversation focused on those, and the students should have success in seeing how these are or are not linear functions.
That's it. That's our 2018 first math fix. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next month.